Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making Nova your active launcher and saving a backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Nova settings and go straight to desktop configuration. Make sure you have enough home screen pages, then move key app icons to the home screens you want to keep. You're preparing to eliminate reliance on the app drawer, so transfer folders and frequently used apps now. This reduces disruption when the drawer is disabled and preserves quick access. Now, populate and organize your home screens so you no longer need the app drawer. You'll drag each app out of the drawer onto a page, grouping similar apps into folders to save space. Once most apps are placed, test opening them from the home screens to confirm shortcuts work. Make sure widgets, folders, and icon sizes are adjusted for readability. This is the critical middle step. Thorough organization avoids later surprises when the app drawer is removed. Finish by hiding the app drawer icon and turning off gestures that open the drawer in Nova settings. Check dock and gestures settings to remove any drawer shortcuts. Once hidden, swipe through your home pages to ensure everything launches correctly. If an app is missing or behaves oddly, restore your backup immediately or re-add the missing app to a home screen. If gestures still trigger a drawer, double-check gesture bindings and reboot the launcher. This usually clears stuck action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.